Did you know nausea affects up to 80% of pregnant women? But don't worry, you can manage this with natural remedies. And in this video, we'll explore 7 proven solutions to help you feel better. I'm Nasteri, a maternity nurse and a mom who knows firsthand how real morning sickness can be and how misunderstood it often is. And today, I'm sharing 7 natural, simple remedies that actually work. These are not gimmicks, they're just real, practical relief that has helped the moms I serve feel more like themselves again. For every natural relief I'll mention, I'm going to add some links in the video description so that you can check them out later. So let us start with ginger. It is a popular and an effective remedy. Ginger has special compounds that help reduce nausea. Scientific studies show that a daily dose of just 1 gram can make a big difference. You can take ginger in many forms, for example, capsules, soothing teas, or even ginger candies. And I'm going to add the links to this in the video description so that you can check them out. So just remember to consult your healthcare provider first before you try on any of these remedies, and especially if you have any medical condition. Next is vitamin B6. This vitamin is not only essential but it is also recommended by doctors for morning sickness, and research shows it can help reduce nausea, especially when taken regularly. Start with a dose of 10 to 25 milligram a few times a day. And again, it is good to check with your healthcare provider before starting any new vitamin or any new supplements. Now, let us talk about acupressure. And before we go into depth, I just want you to take a second, give us a thumbs up so that YouTube can push this video to more moms like you who are nauseous and are looking for natural remedies. It is free of charge to give a like. So let us talk about acupressure. This is a technique where you apply pressure to specific points on your body to relieve nausea. The P6 point on your inner forearm is the key area, and studies found that using acupressure can cut nausea symptoms significantly. You can press the point with your thumb or use wristbands specifically designed for this purpose. And again, check the links in the video description so that you can get these wristbands or check them out. And before we continue with the next point, please just take a second again and hit the subscribe button so that you are informed every time we upload a video such as this one. The next natural relief is aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is another interesting option. This is whereby you can inhale things like peppermint or lemon essential oils, and this can help combat nausea instantly. These scents normally send signals to your brain that help ease your stomach. You know that feeling of gagging. It's gonna relieve that, and just remember to never apply them directly to your skin. Next up is the dietary changes, whereby you are supposed to eat small, frequent meals. This can help keep nausea at bay. Instead of um, Instead of 3 big meals, aim for 6 to 8 smaller ones. This helps stabilize your blood sugar, and they're gonna prevent an empty stomach, both of which can worsen your nausea. Keep bland snacks like crackers or toast nearby. And then another thing is the herbal teas. These ones can also be soothing. Chamomile and red raspberry leaf teas are popular choices for pregnant women. They come packed with benefits and can help calm your stomach. Remember to choose pregnancy safeties, and I'm gonna leave the links in the video description because those ones are pregnancy safe. Lastly, let us not forget about cold foods. Sorry, my alarm is just going off. Cold foods and cold meals and popsicles can be very comforting when you're feeling nauseous. This is because they have a mild smell and can provide hydration without overwhelming your senses. And you can make homemade popsicles or snack on frozen fruits whenever nausea strikes. Now that you know these remedies, remember every pregnancy is unique and it is important to create your personal toolkit of remedies. Start small and pick a few strategies that resonate with you, and then monitor how you feel. And before we end, I want you to listen up. If you're serious about kicking nausea to the curb and you want all the best tips in one place, I've put together a complete nausea relief toolkit that expecting moms are calling a total game changer. It is packed with what to eat, when to eat, and how to set up your day, and also natural methods that really support your body through this weird hormonal wave. Click the link in the video description and grab it now before your next wave of nausea hits. Your future self is gonna thank you so much. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It is free. Subscribe so that you can be alerted every time we upload a new video. And before you leave, kindly check out this video up here.